guys, I'm with little Sparky this morning. It's a beautiful Wednesday morning and yeah, just getting the day started. Just finished my live broadcast, so yeah, getting on with things this morning. Birdie, there you are. Okay, bye. Sparky. I don't have too much going on, so probably not going to be any driving around today. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated with what I'm getting on with today. I'm actually busy editing a video at the moment, so I'm going to get that one up and running quick. It was a Monday, Tuesday episode, so yeah, then you guys can see that one soon as well. Hopefully you've watched it already. Watched it already. Up on you. Yeah, you're up on your favorite spot, my naughty. Always just doing his birdie thingy. Hey, Sparky Sparks. Say out to the YouTubers. Say what's up. Yep, that's a good one, Sparky. So I thought I'd do a little bit of cooking for you guys today. Just adding in these onions. I'm actually making one of my favorite recipes, which is curried mince. So I'll be taking you guys through that, and yeah, it's going to be tasty. I'll probably have some for lunch. It is quite early, it hasn't even gone quite 12 o'clock yet. As I said, I'm not on the roads today, but I've got my little assistant here. He's going to keep me company, and yeah, we're going to get it on. We're going to make a slamming meal, and it's going to be tasty. Once the onions have gone for a little while, then I will add in beef mince and get that browning, and we'll start adding the other ingredients and get on with it, you guys. So I'll let that go a little while and until the mince is brown, and then we'll add some salting. Actually, I can add the salting now. So we'll just, I kind of know my measurements, so I'm just going to dump it in like this. Being very careful not to over salt it, because nothing I hate worse than food that is too salty, you guys. So I've cut up some tomato, but I don't have too much. So I'm going to supplement it with some tomato and onion mix, which I'll be adding into it. After mixing it through for a little while, then we can start with the exciting part and add in all the spices and all those good things. Now, I do it differently. Sometimes I'm adding the spices with mince, sometimes I'm adding the spices after the mince. It just depends on the mood that I'm feeling. It turns out more or less the same every time, so I don't think it makes a difference. But you guys, let me know in the comments what you think. Should we be adding the spices with the meat, or should we're adding the spices now after we've added in the tomato. It'll be interesting to hear what you guys have to say on that one. While the mince simmers away there, I am busy chopping all the carrots into julienne strips. It's always a mission to chop the carrots up like this, but I enjoy them like this. It seems to just make it better, I suppose. Yeah, but it's really cool though. Ow, Sparky. And of course Sparky's with me every step of the way, you guys. Making sure that he doesn't miss out on anything. Ow, and he's eating my ear. Why are you eating my ear? He has a carrot. You want a carrot? I know you'd rather prefer having my ear, you guys. Time to get serious. So now we're going to start adding in. Let's do some garlic flakes. I'm not even going to bother crushing them, they are fairly fine, so we'll just get some of that going in there, make it really garlicky and nice, and just being really, really careful because of Sparky. Obviously we need to give it some good color, so I will be giving it some good color. Let's just throw in a bunch of this as well. Sparky, I'm just battling with Sparky on my head as well while we do this. Alright, let's give it some herbs. I keep getting the angles wrong here. Let's just throw in a bunch of herbs there. And then let's give this a little bit of a mix. Alright, now we will add in some coriander. It should be yummy. And then what I don't have is my favorite. Ooh, out of that, and I didn't buy more. No. Okay, alright. So let's just mix in the coriander. The cumin was the one which I really enjoy the most, which I no longer have and I didn't buy. But anyway, now we're going to add in the curry. Love it or hate it, good old Roger. We'll just dump a whole bunch of this in here. We're going to make it as hot as possible. It would be nice if I had some fresh chilies and stuff like that as well, but you know what, I'm not going to the shop again, so we'll make do with it like this, and all those spices have thickened this up pretty nicely as well. So yeah, we're gonna turn this down now and let it go for a while. Sparky's watching my every move, watching my every step, making sure that he doesn't miss out on anything, you guys. He's like seriously inquisitive, and it's quite a dangerous game that I'm playing as well because we've got a hot stove and all those things, but yeah, I'm really keeping a close eye on him. Alright you guys, time for a quick taste. Oh, it's really, really hot. Check this one out. He's like, what the heck are you doing? That is good. That is good. That is good. It's the first time I'm tasting. It tastes really good. Other than the awesome. This is really, really good. Just before I add the next ingredient in here, I've taken some of my roll and I'm just going to dip it. I'm just going to dip it in here and have a bite of this. This is like the best thing ever, you guys. Really hot, but really good. Okay, so after my quick snack, now it's time to add in just the frozen peas. We're just going to dump a whole bunch of them in here. And if they want to come out. Come on, peas. It's more us than peas, but yeah, we've got a fair amount of peas in here. We're just going to mix this. This is going to bring the temperature down, which is exactly what I want. I've got the oven on its lowest setting now, and just going to let that go now until everything, all the flavors and that are mixed. And then we're done. Well, lunchtime. Let's have a little bit of this. Ingredient. There's a little bit of cheese on top. Oh, a whole lot of cheese on top. Tonight we'll make some pasta and we'll have it with spaghetti. So I'm busy editing some YouTube videos and I've got little Sparky here and he's keeping me good company as always. He always just wants to be with me, making sure that I'm okay and making sure that he's getting his fair share of attention. And Sparky, we've got to get this video out, my boys. We've got to finish on the laptop so we can get the video out to the YouTubers. So the YouTubers can give it a like, hey? Guys, give the video a thumbs up if you're watching. If not for me, for little Sparky. Hi Sparky, sit over there on your spotty. Sit there on your spotty. And I can carry on editing. Well, you guys, it's been a day of Sparky and me chilling here at home, cooking and entertaining ourselves. It's been a little bit of a different episode this time because we haven't been on the road. Well, I haven't been on the road, but something different. Change is always good. So let me know in the comments what you guys think about the food. And yeah, thank you so much for watching until the end, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers.